The inimitable David Childs there and his Hot Canary, doing enough in Ian Bousfield's eyes to win the solo prize, in fact more than enough. As Ian Bousfield said, he awarded the prize to the player who simply oozed star quality. For their finale, Bob and the band once again turned to the arranging skills of the talented Dan Price, and more than a doff of the hat in the direction of the good old US of A. An American Tale, a potpourri of Civil War-based tunes and themes, stirred us all with Corey's massive sound and patriotic melodies that would have any American just powerless to stop their hand covering their hearts and a bottom lip all a tremble in this barnstorming finale.